Item series number 6. 5. My voice gonna mess up. So, number 6, I'm sorry. We have one mystery truck. We don't know who it is. Let's get to the video trucks. Gunslinger, Felon, Wolverine, Backwards Bob is back on the side series. Can't even be the first ever championship. Mohawk Warriors, Spider-Man, Spike, Higher Education, Bounty Hunter, El Matador, Donkey Kong, Prowler, The Destroyer, Devil's Curse, Iron Man, Team Hot Wheels, American Dream, Mind Blower, Grinder, Batman, Sudden Smash, Storm Damage, Nor Nightmare, Superman, Tropical Thunder, Monster Mutt, Luxor Crusader, do you pick up Weird Digger, Pure Adrenaline, Excalibur, Not So Loco, Medusa, Bad Habit, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Nitro Hornet, Ice Monster, Jurassic Attack, Dragon Spark, Max D, and Grave Digger. We don't know which mystery truck it is. We have me, Q9785, the son of a digger. My new cousin, Zed will be driving Man Militia on the side series, or maybe my mistake, Hunters Man Militia, and my cousin Brayden will be driving Patrick. And let's see who it is. Which truck? See you guys tomorrow. Who? Oh my god, who the heck is that guy? My name is Triple H, and I'm here to win the science series. And I'm gonna pick my truck. You can not gonna pick my truck. My truck is Destroyer. Okay. Oh, who are you? My name is The Undertaker. My truck is Iron Man. Well, I just put in we have 5 trucks to be in there. Okay, Undertaker, you're gonna be in Iron Man, and Triple H, you're gonna be in Destroyer. Yes, I am, and I'm gonna win this time series once and for all. Unless I'm gonna race Santa Wing, unless I'm gonna race the mystery truck. Let's see. Will Triple H or The Undertaker will win Side Series 6. See you guys, the video trucks, until November 26th. See you guys next time.